What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Operation Infiltration. I'm gonna be going in on solo because I don't think I need anybody's help. So yeah, let's go do this. Okay, guys, so we're here. Why isn't this loading? Okay, let's give it a few seconds. We're gonna be dropping in dirty docks. Let's go do this. Oh no, what? Okay, so we're defending.
The intel case.
We're gonna... So I'm in the car. So I'm gonna keep it in cardboard. Okay, so in this place, I'm gonna get in here. We have to patch it up. We go in, and then we go over here. So then, when we're in this place, we have to defend it. So now we just stay here and we just wait. Nope.
An intel case has been taken. Intel case dropped.
Okay, we can do it. Don't worry, guys. Okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, we're going back in. Dang, I didn't use these things. Okay, so now if I throw them around, I think people will get confused and they're not gonna know what to do. So, okay, let's get it. Let's get it. No. Where's the thing? There it is. Okay, good. Now we just throw these all over the place. Here and here. Oh no. Okay, it's okay, guys, okay? There's no problem, we can go back. There's no big deal. No, the enemies have the intel. We gotta go get them right now. Like right now. We have to use the boxes,
The case has been dropped.
Now defend. Okay, we're back in. Let's go get him.
An intel case has been taken.
Where are they? Oh no, this is bad. This is looking bad. It's okay. It's time to go try hard.
An intel case was dropped.
No, you're gonna forget. Oh no, it's bad. Oh, we got it. It's going back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get out of here. So now there's a technique where if you just stay still, you don't move, you can duplicate.
An intel case has been taken.
You can duplicate your weapons.
Intel
I think. Let's try it out. Dang, I moved. Let's see if it works. Match starts.
A case has been dropped. An intel case has been taken.
he's so done. He's so done. So done. You're going down
An
and lose your
intel case
town.
was dropped.
Oh,
Case dropped.
no.
Intel case has been taken.
Oh no, oh no, 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 he's gonna make it. He's about to make it. He's about to make it. Okay, okay, we have to go quick. We have to go quick. What does this guy think he's doing? No, 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 no.
Attackers win.
You gotta be kidding.
Capture the intel case. Make your selection.
Okay, so now we're gonna have to try and duplicate our weapons. Let's see if it works. If it works, remember to leave a like and comment and subscribe. So we stay here, and we're supposed to land. It's not working. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I think it doesn't work anymore, so they patched it, and that's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.